Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Very limited price action today. Might be rolling over here, but we have absolutely no change in probabilities because all options are still on the table. Just want to mention again that yes, a top could be in wave one. I mentioned that already a few days ago. Top might be in. How to deal with that? Potentially some partial profit taking. Yeah, it would be criminal not to take profits if you entered somewhere down there. Yeah, and you have nice profits, especially if you are in a, let's say, maybe even leveraged position, and then we see a deep pullback and you have to give all of that up. There is no guarantee for a pullback in a wave two, but it has increased in likelihood. Okay, and though to make those decisions, do we take some risk off the table, potentially miss out on further profits if the rally continues? Or do we just leave everything in there, but then risk giving up on all the profits if the price comes back? Those decisions are decisions that you just have to make as a trader, right? So overall, the risk has increased for a pullback in wave two. Okay, that's all well known. I would be happy to count the top already in. It can be counted. However, the last rally was probably only a 3-wave move, which is why I'm slightly leaning towards another extension higher. But as I said, it's just a slight leaning. The minimum expectations are fulfilled for this rally. So if we get another extension higher, that can happen in 2 ways. First of all, it could happen in the blue count, which, it seems quite weak at the moment, but we could still see here a bit of a wave 4 triangle in blue, one more high, and then we have 5 waves up in wave 5 of 1. Or in the yellow count, which assumes that this wave 4 never finished, and it could play out as a running flat or an expanded flat, which could take it down quite deep. So it will take a while until I can really confirm that a top is in. So that means there is quite a bit of risk because it takes quite a while until we really know that we are in wave 2. That yellow wave 4 can go down quite deep if it has to, even though already I would say a break below the trend line there would already suggest that the wave 2 is unfolding, but I will not be able to take the yellow count off the chart until, we've dropped quite a bit, right? So to be honest, we really only, let's say, know that we are in wave 2. I mean, you never really know, right? It's all about probabilities and assumptions, but until we really touch the green support area. Now, can I give you any more clarity on this? No, it's just what the chart does at the moment, so we have to manage that uncertainty with tactics. I suggested to use some reasonable strategies, just in this video and previous videos, holding a core position, taking some partial profits. That's how we can deal with that uncertainty up there. That whatever's happening here in the short term doesn't really affect the bigger picture. The overall bull market is strong above 27,290. Below that level, we have to focus on something bearish. So there is a potential for a 25 to maybe even 30% drop into the green support area. So hopefully nobody will be surprised if it eventually happens. That is something that is definitely on the table here. And it would likely unfold as an ABC structure. The A wave would likely touch or reach the 38.2 fib level. Then we should get a B wave rally and a C wave down. Ideally, I'd like to see a wave 2 always reach the 50% fib level at 30,770. But it doesn't need to. Bitcoin sometimes likes to do very shallow wave 2s. That's really everything. There isn't much more to say. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.